I remember meeting him at the airport in Ithaca. He got off it's a super small airport, and he's coming through the exit area into the main hall, and he just looked, it kind of looked like an older gentleman, just a regular guy, right? Very unassuming, very humble, but everything I'd heard about him and all the videos, and of course Howl's a Poppin' and all the excitement that I had, I was overflowing with that kind of anticipation. And then we went back and had a chance to hang out a little bit before the dance, and as you all know, the many proceedings of a swing dance event. And that time is imprinted in my heart in terms of how special it was to be around him and to see what happened, that transformation when he stepped on the dance floor, when the music played, and how it was so infectious, and it filled the whole room, and it was so big, and it was so far beyond any one person. But I was given a great foundation about what's important, what the priorities are, what's really important about this thing that we do, which is connecting with the music and your partner and having fun and being in the moment, being present and taking care of each other. And that's really beautiful for life. So I have learned pretty much everything I need to learn from Frankie.